Iqoo z9s. So today Iqoo released Iqoo z9s and z9s Pro. In this video we're going to talk about the Iqoo z9s. Starting from the price, this was priced at 21,999, almost 22,000 rupees. First of all, starting with the display size, this comes with a 6.67 inches of 120 Hz refresh rate HDR10 plus supported curved display. Yes, curved display protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass filters. When we talk about the processor, this mobile comes with the MediaTek Dimensity 7300, which is a 4nm based octa-core 5G processor. It also comes with a lot of 5G bands. I will list those in the description box down below. You can check it out from there. By the way, this mobile is available in two variants. Those are 8GB RAM 128GB internal storage, as well as 12GB RAM 256GB internal storage with no expandable memory. By the way, when we talk about this mobile's cameras, it comes with the dual cameras at the back side. 50 megapixels of main wide angle camera with optical image stabilization, and that is a Sony sensor camera, and a 2 megapixels of another secondary camera. For the front, it comes with a typical 16 megapixels of front facing selfie camera. And when we talk about the battery, it comes with a 5500 milliamperes of huge battery, and it supports 80 watts of fast charge through wire, as well as it comes with a no wireless and reverse wireless charging features. So that's the only thing we have. And this mobile comes with a one big important feature, that is it comes with a IP64 water and dust resistant certification. So it can survive in water and dust up to a limit. When we talk about the multimedia, it comes with the stereo speakers but no 3.5mm jack. When we talk about the operating system, it runs on Android version 14 out of the box with the FunTouch OS latest version. By the way, it comes with all the sensors like proximity sensor, gyroscope, accelerometer and everything. And this mobile comes with a case, charger and a cable. So basically these are the features of this mobile, and it is a complete plastic and metal build, plastic build. This mobile is available in two colors, green and metallic version colors. So I will list the link. I will give a link to buy this mobile in the description box down below, so you can directly go and buy it from there. It is available in Amazon India, which will going to release on 29th of this month. That means August 29th it will come to the sale, so you can directly buy it from there. So these are all the features of this mobile. So that's it for the video, and hit the like button and also the subscribe button and share this video.